The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou has entered one of its most exciting phases yet. Across Gol Sud, Gol Nord, and the Lateral section, major breakthroughs are unfolding almost everywhere you look. From the first ceramic facade installations to rapid compression ring progress and the busiest diamond structures we've seen so far, today's update is packed with milestones you won't want to miss. Let's take a closer look at everything happening on site. Right from the first glance, fresh progress is impossible to miss. At the corner of Travessera de l'Écorce and Carrère de la Maternitat, the growing number of work platforms immediately stands out. They have now been positioned in front of the facade support structure, signaling that ceramic installation is moving ahead at a steady pace. From the look of the ongoing work, crews appear ready to finally close the last remaining opening in this section, bringing another part of the stadium's exterior one step closer to completion. A new phase of work is becoming increasingly visible across the third-tier Tribune section. The floodlights that were previously spotted near the scaffolding are now clearly visible, confirming that installation is underway. With additional lighting equipment already on site, crews continue making steady progress while freeing up more space in the second tier. Nearby, work is also moving forward around the compression ring support area, where crews are preparing the sleeper beams needed to support the ring as it extends toward the third tier. Standing at Gol Sud, another significant milestone comes into focus. 5 more support columns have now been installed since the project passed the halfway point, with the latest already connected to its radial beam. At the same time, the compression ring is advancing into the curved section, where the smaller box segments are now being placed. From this viewpoint, the ceramic facade looks even more impressive after the protective plastic has been removed, while the compression ring appears to be edging ever closer to its final closure. The lateral section is now becoming the center of attention, with the diamond structures showing remarkable progress. The final diamond remains surrounded by temporary props and support frames, while preparations continue for the next stage of work at ground level. The second diamond has now become one of the busiest areas on site, with construction advancing rapidly. Decorative slats continue to be installed. The floodlights in this section are now in place, and the structure itself is nearing completion. Meanwhile, progress is becoming increasingly visible across all 3 diamond structures along the lateral side. Gol Nord has delivered one of the biggest surprises of the day. A completely new section of ceramic slats has appeared around the curved facade, where 6 slats have already been installed. It was an unexpected milestone that immediately became one of the standout developments on site. The installation team continued working with platforms and lifting equipment throughout the afternoon, adding more slats as the facade steadily expanded. Although the Tribune side still requires additional anchor installations, the ceramic facade is now moving noticeably closer to that section. Another slat was lifted into place before crews began securing it, while work continued carefully across the curve. With every new installation, the stadium's exterior is taking on more of its final appearance. Construction activity is also picking up along the front of the Tribune. Crews have begun lifting another support column, while additional materials for the compression ring, including another box segment, are already in position on site. At the same time, the facade substructure continues to expand, with visible progress as crews push ahead on this section. Across the area, the structural framework is steadily taking shape, reflecting the ongoing pace of construction. After weeks of little visible change, Gol Sud is finally showing encouraging progress. Crews have begun installing the long-awaited support brackets for the ceramic slats, with several already in place. It's an important milestone in a section that had remained largely unchanged for quite some time. Inside the mobility cores, the sandwich panels installed earlier remain in place, while exterior finishing work is still being prepared. Nearby, excavation work along the sidewalk has been completed in one section, although crews continue working farther ahead. As construction moves toward the lateral section, activity remains steady around the structural framework. With this area already well advanced, It appears only a matter of time before the first ceramic slats are installed on the mobility cores. The compression ring continues to take shape with every new section installed. From this viewpoint, its progress is clearly visible as the structure advances toward the Gol Nord corner and the Tribune side. At the same time, the latest support column is moving closer to the shoring structure, marking another steady step forward in this key phase of construction. At the Gol Sud Tribune corner, the compression ring has reached another important milestone. The box segment that was being lifted earlier is now in position, with the lifting sling still holding it in place until it is fully secured with its final connections. Nearby, another support column has already been completed with its radial beam, leaving just 2 more columns before construction reaches the Tribune sector. With that milestone approaching, the compression ring is steadily moving closer to completion as the remaining columns, radial beams, and box segments continue to be installed. With every new milestone, Spotify Camp Nou is moving closer to becoming one of the world's most remarkable stadiums. From the rapid expansion of the ceramic facade to the steady progress of the compression ring and diamond structures, the transformation is becoming more impressive with every update. That's all for today's construction update. We'll continue following every major development as work moves forward, bringing you the latest progress from Spotify Camp Nou in the next update. Until then, thanks for watching.